To stake Kraken Pro, you first need to understand what staking is and how it works. Staking is a process where you hold and lock up a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet or on an exchange to support the operation of a blockchain network and validate transactions. In return, you receive rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency. To get started with staking Kraken Pro, you need to have a Kraken account and some funds in it. Create a Kraken account if you do not already have one and deposit some cryptocurrency into it. Make sure you have enough balance to stake, as different cryptocurrencies have different minimum staking requirements. Next, navigate to the staking section on the Kraken platform. This is usually found under the Finance or Earn section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to stake, such as Ethereum or Tezos, and click on the Stake button. You will then be prompted to review and agree to the terms and conditions of staking on Kraken. After agreeing to the terms, you will be asked to specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to stake. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. The staking period varies depending on the cryptocurrency, but it is usually between 1 day and 1 year. Once you have staked your cryptocurrency, you can start earning rewards. The rewards are usually distributed on a daily or weekly basis, depending on the cryptocurrency and the staking platform. You can track your rewards and the status of your stake in the staking section of your Kraken account. It is essential to understand the risks involved in staking, such as price volatility and smart contract risks. Make sure you do your research and understand the terms and conditions before staking any cryptocurrency. In conclusion, staking Kraken Pro is a straightforward process that requires a Kraken account, some cryptocurrency, and an understanding of the staking process. By following these steps, you can start earning rewards and supporting the operation of your preferred blockchain network. Always do your research and understand the risks involved before staking any cryptocurrency.